That's the mommy daddy stuff.
I know.
Oh.
Oh, that. I got a new cat. Ow. I got a copy. I got a copy. A copy. And it has money. Hey, I have that too. I have the purple one. Hey, I know these from TV. Take this off. Put a snack in here. Yep. And then you flip it. And then you screw it off. And then you drink it. Put a drink in there.
Cool.
You can drink it. And I also heard that you can't spill it.
That's good because we need stuff that doesn't spill.
Because
That's
see,
the
the
smart
drink's
Easter
down
bunny.
here.
What else did you get?
I got Elsa socks. I got a clean sock.
Oh, good. Are we going to wear those today, maybe?
Yeah, but I need to clean those. And I got an astronaut costume. I got more gummies. And I got that and this. That's candy. This is candy. Just saying. This is that has inside a lot of candy.
What you got?
This is candy. This is candy.
Mm-hmm.
There's two of them.
What is that, Tierney?
There is running being there.
Yeah, what is it?
I don't know. There's a lassie coat in there. Like you have a lassie too. Whoa.
Yeah, it's a laundry.
And then you put some stuff in here to wash. Giant boots. And I need a basket. And giant boots. You can wash everything you want.
I think you have to wear real shoes under them. But they cinch onto your feet, so if they stay on with this,
And it has
remember
a
you have those
basket.
sneakers that you used to
Daddy,
have
it
to
has a basket.
same thing.
And this is,
It's
I
cool.
don't know.
See, that way you can wear real shoes with them.
Because this.
You'll have to wear your costume.
Gummy,
Where's
gummy.
the orange? Where's your astronaut piece? Is that downstairs? You have to put it all on. Does that fit your head?
Daddy, look, I got frozen. This is Anna and Elsa.
Cool.
And what? Elsa? Anna!
It's the face mask. It goes up, I think.
No, this.
That? Oh, it's a microphone so that they can
Hey,
talk to
Mama,
other
what's
astronauts.
that?
Ooh, barrettes?
Yeah.